In today's video, I'll be breaking down something every YouTubers talk about but they barely understand. Yes, YouTube algorithm. That invisible beast that decide whether your video goes viral or not, whether your video flops or not. I'll be talking about it. It is not a beast. It is not your enemy. It is just a tool. Yeah, and today I will show you exactly how to make it work for you or work for your channel. So if you have been uploading videos, crossing your fingers and hoping for miracle to happen to your channel, stop it right now, because that is not a strategy. It is a guesswork. I'm about to show you the key things YouTube you look out for before pushing before decide to push your videos out there. So let's break this thing down in a simpler way. The algorithm's job is not to help you. Its job is to make sure that people watch the video for a long time. Yes, that's why it recommends video that people that is the video that has the potential that people will watch it for a very long time. That's why whenever you post your video, YouTube asks you three things. The first one is click-through rate. Do people click on this video, or do they see the video and swipe away? Second question is whether people watch it for a long time. That is average view duration. If people watch it for a long time. Then the third question is, do they keep watching YouTube after they have finished watching your videos? If your answer is yes, YouTube will now say, okay, this video is keeping people on the platform, let's recommend it to more people. That's how algorithm works. So another one is CTR, click-through rate, and thumbnail. Your video might be amazing, your video might be cool, but if no one clicks on it, YouTube buries it. It's as simple as ABC. So focus on your thumbnail and your title combo. These two combos, your thumbnail, your title, they are the first thing, or whenever someone sees, they will be like, okay, this thing will be amazing. Very curious to see, they will click on it. So focus on them, then use curiosity or promise value. Then avoid all these heavy tests. Avoid the heavy text on your thumbnail. Just go straight to the point, and something that will be catchy, that when people see, they will be forced to click on your video. Then look at what is trending in your niche and improve on it. For example, instead of using my morning routine, you can say I woke up by 5 a.m. for 30 days. Here is what happened. People will be curious to know what really happened after 30 days that you woke up at 5 a.m. So use curiosity. Thumbnail, improve on your thumbnail. It will help your channel. Another one is watch hour. Watch hour is the king, the oga of them all, the oga of them all. So if you want to grow your channel, if you really want to grow, forget about viral for a second. Focus on watch hour. Yeah. Hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds of your video. Because if you don't hook them, they will swipe away, they will click away and move to another video. So ask them any question that will keep them glued to your channel. Show a sneak peek of what you're going to tell them in that video. It will make them to be glued. Or tell them what they will gain after watching the video from start to finish. There's something like, stick around because I will show you the exact script I used. Or you reveal your biggest mistake at the end of the video. All those stuff will make them to be glued to keep watching, because everybody will like Asarena, will like everybody wants to know what happens next. So look for something to keep them glued from start to the finish. It will help your channel, and that keep people watching, and longer watch time, more love from YouTube. You understand? So another one is consistency and signal. The algorithm also pays attention to signals like posting frequently, niche consistency, and audience behavior. Let me use this channel as example, this very channel. I have another channel that is monetized, and this one is also monetized. That one, I'm teaching how to monetize your YouTube, that is YouTube growth, so to say, and making money online. That's what the other channel is all about. So here I used to do mukbang, and recently I decided that I don't want to do mukbang again. I changed to another niche, and it's affecting my channel now, but I know it's for a moment. Because it's monetized, I cannot just delete all my videos because it might affect me. That's why I left all those videos there. With time, I know everything will normalize. Yes, so that is a typical example of what I'm talking about now. Consistency. If you notice, the views I used to get and the views I'm getting now, you cannot equate them, because the viewers I have is not the viewers that are interested in this. They are only interested in watching you eat. All of a sudden you are introducing another thing to them. So stick to your niche. Anything you cannot just be posting about YouTube growth and tomorrow you all of a sudden you start posting about cooking or eating or whatever. Don't use because of this my channel to judge me. No. Then another thing, upload consistently. You don't need daily upload, but YouTube rewards creators who show up regularly. Yeah, your YouTube doesn't die after 24 hours. Some of my videos got zero attention in 1 week but blew up after 3 weeks. There is one video set that for 1 month it didn't do well. Then after 1 month, that is my mukbang video, it blew up more than 15,000 views. Yeah, I was eating starch in that food. So it's just like that. Your video, not after 24 hours it will be like, I don't have any views. Maybe tomorrow it might blow. So just be consistent in whatever you're doing. Then another one I'm going to talk about is end screen. End screen boosts your videos. It boosts your videos. Just use your end screen smartly. Sometimes you even use your playlist as end screen. You see this playlist, don't underrate it. Do not underrate it. Link to another binge, that is what the videos, link them at the end of your videos. If you don't know what end screen means or how to add them to your video, just leave your comments on the comment section and I'm going to do a video about how to add end screen to your videos. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video worthy and interesting, help me to drop a thumbs up. Then if you're still new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.